Today we got Travis's. What kind of car is this?
It's a 1993 Acura Integra LS sedan.
LS sedan. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's really slow. Has like 140 horsepower. Probably a lot of loss because of all the shit that's wrong with it. It got a monster sticker on it. I put a little flight cam thing on there, you know, just for the looks. A little performance there too. Have little things hanging from the back. Just because. There's no real reason for it. I just stuck them on there. Fuck it, you know. Have a huge dent in the door.
Yeah, tell us about that.
Well, I was parked in front of my friend's house, and there's a driveway in front of my friend's house, and the lady that lives there backed up into my door. I went and talked to her about it. She said she didn't do it. Said she didn't feel it, which you wouldn't feel that if your toe ball hit that. You would feel it at all. I don't know where that dent came from. That was my brother had the car when that happened. It's got an oil leak. Transmission leaks a little bit too. I found that out the other day. But
Let's see the interior.
it's dirty in there. I don't know.
All right, we'll pop the hood for us.
Oh no, that doesn't look good.
And what kind of motor does this have?
I think it's a B18
B18.
or a B16.
Is there any upgrades done to the motor?
Not at all.
Completely stock?
Yep.
What are your plans with the motor?
Well, I want to put a turbo on it, but until then, I'll just put a header, probably a cold air intake maybe, and probably build the head, put some bigger cams in it, better rocker arms and springs and all that business.
It actually looks in decent condition though.
Well, it's really oily because something over here. My dad said it might be my camshaft seals that are leaking, which I think that's what it is because that's where all the oil's coming from. So I'm really hoping that that's the only problem. But if it's not, I'm gonna be kind of mad. The other day, this somehow ended up over there. The oil cap thing ended up over there, and I guess I was driving it without it on there, and it spit oil all up in my hood, and it like just leaking all over that.
That's not good. Let's hear it cranked up.
Oh God.
Nice and quiet.
I don't know how to do that. Doesn't smell. I don't know how to do it.
Well, give us some gas so we can hear it from the outside. Tell them what we just went to the speed shop for.
I just bought a Momo steering wheel for it because I don't really like that steering wheel and it's like falling apart. So why not? I won't be able to put it on until I get a hub and a quick release.
Alright, and what other upgrades do you plan on doing in the near future to this car?
I just said everything.
You only
Oh,
said
for like
motor.
outside.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get coilovers and some rims. I'll probably lower it about like an inch maybe. Or half an inch. Considering that we live out in the middle of nowhere. And I gotta drive down back roads all the time. I'll probably get a new OEM bumper because that's fucked up. I don't want a body kit on it because I think those are stupid.
Anything else?
Well, obviously gotta get all the dents fixed. I gotta get that fixed. That fucking comes up, and my friend told me it'll start leaking inside my car because his girlfriends did that. And yeah, you should give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and go subscribe to Smokey fucking Mower. He puts out some pretty good stuff sometimes. You wouldn't be disappointed. He does everything. Like, everything. If it doesn't even matter, you'll see videos on this piece of shit. And there's another piece of shit you'll see videos on. Not this. This isn't a piece of shit. Thanks for watching my fucking shit.